Hey Shea family, today we're going to cook up a beauty hack. Welcome back to Sheamoisture TV. I'm going to show you in 3 simple steps how to create a hair mask using Sheamoisture's Beauty Hack collection. The first step in the recipe is the base. We're going to use the Aztec Bentonite Clay. We're going to measure out 5 tablespoons and add that to our mixing bowl. Next, you're going to add your water. I added 15 tablespoons of water. Second step is 3 tablespoons of our pure sunflower oil. You can use any oil, but I chose to use sunflower oil today. And for the final step, step 3, I added a rose essential oil, 2 drops, to my mixture. Oh, that smells so good. This easy-to-do DIY clay mask is a great addition to your hair care regimen. Clay with a combination of oils helps to hydrate, moisturize, defrizz, soften, and banishes dryness while encouraging curls to clump, and it gives great shine. So once you apply the clay to your hair, it should dry out like this, and then you just rinse it off and treat your hair as you normally would, okay? It stays about 20 minutes and that's all you need. If you're interested in making this recipe, I'm going to provide a link to the recipe right below. But make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. All the Beauty Hack products are available on Sheamoisture.com, and I'm going to be having a special. You buy 2 Beauty Hack products, you're going to get the 3rd product at 30% off. And that's just available for this month in March, okay? So, Shea family, I can't wait to see some of your Beauty Hack videos. If you have any questions about Beauty Hack, leave me feedback below. I'm going to be responding to them. And that's it, okay? Have a great time. Thanks for joining us and see you soon.